Hey coaches, quick update here. Because of your guys' feedback, we have really been working really hard at Coach Tactix to give you guys some of the things that you've been asking for. We've made this thing super dynamic and really feel like we're getting really close to the product that you guys are wanting. One of the things that was asked is underneath the areas, not have all the data points and have the data points customizable. So we now have an admin area. I'm going to click on the admin area and go right to data point configuration. And if you take a look here, we've never had RPO tags. So in this area here, you can turn things on and off so that you don't even see them anymore. Many of you guys don't use backfield or you don't use line call. You can see I've turned line call off and I called it Lake Zurich. I'm not going to use that either. And then down here, we have 6 customizable points. To save some time, I've already typed in line tag, RPO tag, and then I can place this in the wizard. All right, I can place it at the very end by itself, or I can move it with play name. I want this with play name in the second spot here. So I'm going to move RPO tag down to here, and then I want to make sure it is in the second spot. And so play name and then RPO tag and then situations is there. Make sure that you save your changes. Go to the Play Wizard. You can have 5 steps. You can cut out down to 4 steps. You can put these in any order that you want. I'm going to go right here and you're going to see here are my new tags. All right, if I wanted to add now screen to this right now, okay. And then again, it's whatever you want. You can have formation tags. You can do whatever you want. You name it, you put them in your way, and then they're going to rename over here. Here you see that line call has been removed. RPO tag has been added. Okay. In that area, remember that was the admin area data configuration. The next big change that we have was we have customizable text for when we're going to be doing our scripts. No longer are you going to have to type in down and distance. If you go underneath plays and script builders, I have custom notes here. I've kind of preset these. We think that everybody's going to use down and distance, so we put that in there. You can have anything you want. I put defensive coverage and then card number and then scout card for the top. If I click under here underneath add, I have some down and distances in there. I'm going to put 1st and 15 in there so we can add that, and you'll see that it just drops in. These can change from week to week. I realize that that's a duplicate. I'll just get rid of it. Put anything you want anytime in here. Okay, and then for card number, I'm going to leave that blank and show you how we do that on the fly. As you guys know, we're going to spend a lot of time in our weekly game plan. So I'm going to the weekly game plan very quickly, and I'm going to bring up one of my script sheets that I already have. I'm going to go ahead and load. I've got a 4 landscape. I'm going to go to my 5 landscape here. Scripts. Very bottom is team. It's loading. Okay, so for down and distance, I'm going to make this column just a little bit bigger. First play is going to be 1st and 10. I click on here. It automatically pops up what I put in there. 1st and 10 loads. Second play is going to be 2nd and medium. We'll go there and we'll make that 2nd and 4. Click out of there and it loads. All right, if I wanted an oddball like 1st and 20, I can type that in as well. And then that goes in there. Okay, underneath defense and coverage, again, I can select any of these. We're going against a 3-3 stack this week. These can change from week to week. If you go against a multiple front, you can put those in there, or you can just put them all in at one time and then go ahead and grab those. Scout cards have nothing in here, so these are going to build as I type them in. So I'm going to go card 1, put that in there, go to the next one. It will automatically save. Card 2. I'm going to go back to card 1. It should be selectable now, and there it is. Remember our normal notes that we had? We're trying to prevent you from typing in, but you can still type anything that you want in regular notes and have as many as you want in there, okay? Really trying to save you guys some time. Lastly, I made some layouts for you. I have created, with the settings and trying to go through there, I've created 3 different landscapes, 4 script, 5 script, and a 6 script, and then 6 portrait ones as well. We're going to pass those settings on to you. We hope to make them a template here in the near future, and then at least give you a start with this as well. Okay. There's definitely a few more features we want to show you. You can clear the grid here inside here, clear that tile. You can also go back and add to a tile. If you have a script that you already made, we can go in here and say, hey, go back and put some plays in there as well. And now those get added. And then if I click on a tile as well and open the playbook, I can add to that right on the fly. So we have two ways to make our scripts. You can see that the way play went in there. So definitely use this. This is clear the grid so that we can start having templates. You'll see that I made like an empty template, and then I just start to save those, and then there's no more formatting on a daily basis. You can search old scripts as well. If I just wanted to grab a play from an old script, I can add these right into there as well. And you see that too. So we can add the tile. We can now replace the tile with this so there's no formatting, or search an old script and add a couple plays out of there. Some really dynamic features. We're working hard to get your business and just to make life easier for you, to save some time, and then also give you the opportunity to watch more film or spend time with your family. Thank you for supporting us at Coach Tactix, and look forward to working with you guys very, very soon.